We will now start our second skill, changing the Excel environment. The first skill task is customize the quick access toolbar. Let's go to Excel. Now open a blank workbook, go to Backstage, click New, and click on this blank workbook to open a blank workbook. Now go to Backstage again, and in the navigation panel, click Excel Options. This will open Excel Options dialog box. Since we want to edit the Quick Access Toolbar, click on this Quick Access Toolbar tab. Here we have two sections. On the left, these are the list of commands that are available for you. You can add these commands to Quick Access Toolbar. On the top, you have this selected popular commands. You can display all commands as well. If you select all commands will be displayed here. Let's select popular commands. And on the right, this is the list of commands that are currently available in the Quick Access Toolbar. So we will now edit the Quick Access Toolbar, and let's add this Format Painter command to the Quick Access Toolbar. Click on this Format Painter and then click Add button. So this Format Painter, when we click OK, this Format Painter will be available in your Quick Access Toolbar. Let's add another command. Let's say we add this command, refresh all, to our Quick Access Toolbar. Click Add button. And these two commands are added to the Quick Access Toolbar. If you want to add any other, you can add as many commands as you can. But these are actually, Quick Access Toolbar commands are actually those commands that you very frequently use, and you do not want to shift between different command tabs and locate these frequently used commands. So you place them in the Quick Access Toolbar so they remain available to you all the times. When you are done with adding commands here, click OK. And you can see that in the Quick Access Toolbar you have this Format Painter added and Refresh All button also added here. Now right click anywhere in the Quick Access Toolbar and then select Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Near the lower right corner of the Excel Options dialog box, click the Reset button. And we do not want to reset all customizations, but let's reset only the Quick Access Toolbar customization that we have just done. Click Reset, and this gives you a warning. Are you sure you want to restore the Quick Access Toolbar shared between all documents to its default contents? Click Yes. And you can see that these are the default commands that are available in the Quick Access Toolbar. So click OK. So you can see you have the default commands now available in your Quick Access Toolbar. The Save button and the Undo and Redo buttons and the Auto Save button. You can close the Excel workbook. Don't need to save. And please keep the Excel application open for your next exercise. Thank you.